So peep this real quick here. I'm looking at the chart right now, Cadjpy, and I want to like take you guys through the journey of the trades I've taken so far on my Cadjpy. You get me? And for you to understand the power of proper learning proper market structure and using proper risk management on your trade. You get me? See now, this is the chart for Cadjpy. You get me? So now I want you to understand something. Before you take any trade, you need to understand the clear direction of the market bias during that session. Get me? This is the H4 time frame, and this is the only time frame I will use to make you understand how this market structure works, because normally we use a top-down analysis, go to a higher time frame to a lower time frame, but with this is actually clear for you to get to understand how the market structure works. So anytime you see a trade going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, you notice that we are in an uptrend. So higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So we took our trade at this level. This was in February. So we took our trade at this level. We got out at this level. We got out at a strategic position. You get me? So this is a resistance here, and my TP was just some pips away from that resistance. You get me? And the next trade was this one. After we broke this level, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, came back down to test this last higher low, and we are still sitting on this resistance zone, sitting on it as support. You get me? Then we got that minor range. Then on our lower time frame, break and retest of the range, we took our trade to this level. So higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This is a high because we did not break this level, so it's a high, it's not an higher high. So since this is a high, we have to wait before we know there has been a change in market bias. So this was the last higher low, so we need market to break this last higher low before we can actually see a sell position. So after the price got to this level, I say okay, we broke this level. After I saw this candle and the second candle closing below this level here, I say okay, I'll be waiting for my sell bias. At this level, I entered impulsively at this level because of this supply zone here. I had to enter, but I got taken out on this trade, just minor pips before price went down in my direction. You get me? This was totally clear why I lost the trade, because it was an impulsive entry, and you can see I journaled it at this point here. So the next trade, we broke this low. Since we are in a downtrend now, we know we are in a downtrend now, we came back up, went back up to create this retracement, another leg lower, came back up again to retest this support as resistance here to take this trade to this level. And the reason why my TP was at this level, if we go back to our first trade, you can see that we reacted at this level. So since we reacted at this level, I needed my my TP to be at that level. You get me? This shares got off. So yeah, I needed my TP to be at that level. So yeah, that's how I took my trade for Cadjpy throughout this month, this year. 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, 3 wins and 1 loss. So that's for Cadjpy. So yeah, I still have trades for USD CHF, but this is for Cadjpy. Just one trade